If you're tired of waiting for hot water to reach your kitchen or bathroom sink, a point-of-use water heater is the solution. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 small water heaters for sinks in 2025. Let's start with the ThermoMate Mini Tank Water Heater Model ES150. With a 1.32-gallon tank capacity, this compact unit is designed for quick, under-sink installations in both residential and commercial spaces. It connects to a standard 120-volt outlet and heats water rapidly, providing almost instant access for hand washing or dishwashing. Its UL-listed build ensures safety, and the thermostat control lets you set the desired temperature with precision. This unit can be mounted on a wall or placed on the floor, giving it installation flexibility. While its small capacity may not be suited for back-to-back usage across multiple sinks, it's an excellent, affordable choice for a dedicated fixture. Next up is the Westinghouse Electric Mini Tank Water Heater, part of the Apollo Classic series. This model holds 1.3 gallons of water and is crafted with a corrosion-resistant anode rod and stainless steel heating element. The result is improved longevity and better resistance against sediment buildup, a common issue in smaller water heaters. Like the ThermoMate, this unit runs on 120 volts and is plug-and-play ready, requiring minimal setup. It can be mounted to the wall and features a pressure relief valve for added safety. The downside, like most mini tanks, is that once the water is used, it takes time to reheat. Still, for light-duty tasks such as shaving, washing hands, or prepping vegetables, it delivers a reliable stream of hot water when you need it. Third on our list is the FOGATTI 4-gallon electric mini tank water heater, which offers a larger capacity than most mini units while still fitting neatly under the sink. This model is particularly ideal for households that need a bit more hot water on demand, perhaps for 2 people using the sink consecutively, or for larger dishwashing needs. With a 1440-watt power rating, it heats up quickly and maintains a consistent water temperature. The tank is made from high-grade materials and includes overheating protection and thermal cutoff features for added safety. Its extra storage does come with a larger footprint, so make sure your installation space can accommodate it. Still, the added capacity makes it a great fit for kitchens and utility sinks. Fourth, we have the BN Link 2.7-gallon electric mini tank water heater, a compact and practical option for users who need something between the ultra-small and larger capacity model. It runs on 120 volts and provides enough hot water to handle moderate usage at bathroom or kitchen sinks. With an ETL certification, it meets high safety standards, and its installation minimizes standby heat loss. It includes an adjustable thermostat and a built-in pressure relief valve. While it's not intended for simultaneous multi-fixture use, the BN Link unit is reliable and durable, serving as a great mid-range choice for apartments, cabins, or secondary sinks. Finally, the Camplux ME 66-gallon mini tank water heater rounds out our top 5. This is the largest capacity model on the list, capable of supporting multiple sinks or high-use environments like workshops, outdoor kitchens, or even small salon stations. Despite its higher volume, it still connects via a standard 120-volt outlet and includes a 1,500-watt heating element. The ME60 is well-insulated and comes with built-in protection against overheating and overpressure. With a recovery time of around 15 to 20 minutes, it's much faster than traditional storage tanks. The only downside is its larger size. It requires more under-sink space and weighs more than other units. But if you need a powerful and robust hot water source in a compact package, this one's hard to beat. Thanks for watching. Whether you're outfitting a new kitchen or upgrading an old bathroom, these small water heaters for sinks are dependable solutions for consistent, on-demand hot water in 2025.